So we have day 2 of the Great Southern Rally here up in Hallett, South Australia. We've split up into different groups again. Most of our group have taken off. So there's only 4 of us left here today in our group. So we've got the Tenerator SWM, the KTM and the BMW on board. And this group over here, I'm not sure who they are and why they're here. They're actually trying to find a point here. This is not the place you want to be. So, yeah. So we've got another 4 riders that are rocked up here. We just saw about 10 riders go down that way. Yeah. Yeah, righto. Disqualify them. He's just saying, more than 5 riders and disqualify the groups. So yeah, I believe we're going up into the hills again. Sun's starting to come through, so pretty happy with that. Bit of rain around. Hopefully we can capture some good footage today, and everything will be all good.
Hallett Road goes to there, so I'm assuming so if we get to there we've gone too far, so I'll just drop a pin.
It's absolutely amazing what we find out here in the outback, touring all these back tracks. And if it wasn't for this rally, I wouldn't have found this town, or wouldn't have found this town. Check out this town here. I don't know what it's called. I'll see if I can put a link down the bottom as to what it's called. But have a look at this homestead here. Can you imagine living in that? What are we? We're looking at a couple hundred years old, probably built in 1850s or something like that, part of the sheep station. It's a magnificent building. Looks like there's coming a couple of additions to it. Let's turn around and see if I can get a better angle on that. Pretty bloody old on this old sheep station. This is like a whole town here. I've never been here before. Absolutely amazing. I suppose if it wasn't for this rally, I wouldn't have come through here. But yeah, you've got this main homestead here. All the outbuildings for the sheep. Probably buildings for the people who worked here. Little outhouse out the back there. And little additions. You can see there's a corrugated iron addition out there and 2 side buildings. Let's go and have a look at it. What a spooky old house. Amazing. It just keeps going, building after building. Yeah. Oh, Roger. There it is. It's Wolf Creek, is it?
You got their,
Look at the old pit.
you got the gun racks here.
Gun racks.
One right in front of the driver. One in front of the passenger. Just hook your guns up there. You would have had someone someone sitting up there holding
Seat up there with the spotlight.
spotlight shooting.
Guns here.
That's real safe.
Wow. What is it? Yeah, Mum used to have it, and they it's Hoover, and the air comes out the bottom, and they float around. That's yeah, be a collector's item, I suppose, nowadays, if it was in good nick. Just some interesting stuff here.
Some old U-bolts, like spring shackles.
What's that say? Toolkit in a can. Toolkit in a can. Old school stuff.
Look at the old head gasket.
Fuel tank.
Cylinders a day.
2, 4, 6 cylinder. Bit of oil and it'll be fine. Mate, leave with us for a week, we'll have this going fine for you. Won't cost you much at all, tell you love, you'll be right. Ta-da!
Did you make it?
I know. It's 4 o'clock.